Today I'm doing 5 km run in rain with my friend Timo on Sunday. Let's go. My camera is not waterproof, so I made myself such a case for it, so it doesn't get wet.
Das ist mal eine Konstruktion. Nice. Du bist sehr schön erfinderisch. Sollen wir uns noch aufwärmen und dann
Gibt es irgendwo Dach, wo wir runterstehen
ich glaube,
können?
da vorne unter der Philharmonie können wir.
Nein! Noch ein paar Minuten. Ich dachte mir, warum nicht Bump spielen? Today the route will be not so steep like last time because of the rain, but it will be pretty even go. 5 kilometers. The rain has stopped during our running session, but we fairly complete the rainy run day challenge.
I'll just use my rain jacket as a sweatsuit. No?
He gets the rain inside of the jacket, not the outside. So we are at the end of the pace. You would have ran 10 more kilometers, aren't you?
Maybe not 10. 5 would be realistic. 5 kilometers is fine for me. I had a nice jog. So.
It's a real life example of a person who would go to Ironman or a strongman competition.
I don't know if I'm in the condition for an Ironman or not. Working on it. Hybrid athlete, so like basketball, running, fitness.
Everything at once.
Right.
That's called a healthy lifestyle. Yeah, so thank you Timo for this run today. It was really
It was
nice.
nice to run with you.
Yep,
though.
let's go.